Toxic workplace? Mahirap ang may ganito sa negosyo. I remember my coaching client. Let's call her Ana. Sobrang toxic daw ng workplace nila. Away, chismisan, at uso ang petics. Kaya naman, sobrang baba ng sales nila. With my guidance, gumawa siya ng system. Ang ginawa niya was to set the basic rules. Respect para sa lahat, no drama sa workplace, responsibilidad sa trabaho, teamwork palagi. Then, gumawa siya ng proper process. May employee handbook na pinirmahan. Tapos, may proper way na mag-report ng problems. And then, may sistema sa pag-resolve ng issues. May regular team development. You can also do what she did. Step 1, check mo muna ang problem. Alamin ang root cause. Step 2, heart-to-heart talk. Stick lang sa facts, ha? Step 3, growth opportunity. Mag-provide ng training. Step 4, regular monitoring. Track the improvements and update sa progress. The last step, celebrate success. I-reward ang good behavior. So after 3 months, grabe ang transformation. Sales nila, boom na boom. Happy ang kanilang team at walang nag-resign. Mahirap nung una pero sulit naman. So here's a tip from Ana. Regular meeting with the team. Laging open para mag-share ng ideas at mga team building activities para mas maging solid ang samahan. Diba ang saya na maging business-minded Pinoy?